Welcome to the Combine Revolution. In a world where not all combines are created equal, a world with a long-held desire for less grain damage, reduced grain loss, and a cleaner grain sample is a reality each and every day, so you can maximize your profit. There are a few things you need to know in order to gain an advantage. The revolution is here, and it will make you change the way you think about combines. Introducing the New Holland CR twin rotor combine. It's a combine with revolutionary twin rotor technology. A combine that delivers less grain damage, reduced grain loss, and a cleaner sample. Now let's take a closer look at the CR twin rotor combine. First, feeding a combine's rotors is critical. The CR twin rotor combine's feeding system is unique. It works this way. The CR's undershot feeding system releases the crop just underneath the rotor augers, ensuring the rotors draw the crop evenly from the feeder, maximizing the feeding process. The crop enters the feeder house head first and feeds easily because the width of the feeder housing is equal to the width of the rotors, which means the crop does not converge or hesitate when being drawn in by the rotors. Easier feeding means efficiency right from the start. Now to threshing. When divided into two streams, the combine's crop mat becomes wider, producing a thinner mat. A thinner mat is much easier to thresh, as each rotor has less material to process. The CR's S-cubed rotors incorporate segmented, spiraled, and staggered rest bars, which begin the threshing action. As there are only two individual threshing areas with two adjustable concave areas, the crop mat is spread evenly and is gently and very efficiently threshed. The side-by-side twin rotors promote a high level of grain-on-grain threshing. Grain-on-grain threshing means less grain damage. As grain-on-grain threshing is far less abrasive, the big advantage for grain farmers using a twin rotor combine is that you get high-quality grain and more of it. A feature only the New Holland CR twin rotor combine can provide. The CR twin rotor combine has separator fins that are segmented, spiraled, and staggered. These fins are specifically designed to assist in the separation process while preserving good quality straw. To catch every last kernel of grain, the New Holland CR twin rotor combine incorporates a discharge beater and grate that separates any remaining grain from the crop mat before discharging unwanted crop residue from the machine, giving valuable grain savings. Tailings are handled by a double rotor return system. With interchangeable lugged or smooth covers, the rethreshed material is then spread evenly over the full width of the grain pan. Now to the concept of centrifugal force, which is the key difference between twin rotor combines and any other type of combine. Centrifugal force is a combination of speed, weight, and turning radius. And it really does make the difference to the results you get from a combine harvester. So let's begin with speed. It's the rate at which the crop mat rotates around the rotor of a rotary combine, or in the CR combine around the twin rotors. There's an ideal speed for every kind of crop, regardless of the combine you use. So speed is a constant factor. Now to weight. The weight of one kernel of grain is about the same weight as the one next to it at the time of harvest. So weight is a constant factor. So here's the big difference. Turning radius. Centrifugal force is increased significantly by a smaller turning radius, and the CR twin rotor has it. Each of the twin rotors has a smaller turning radius than that of a single rotor, providing more centrifugal force than any other combine on the market today. The inertia created from this centrifugal force helps grain let go quicker and get out quicker. We all know a cleaner grain sample is worth more money. The inertia generated from the twin rotors works exceptionally well to separate grain from lighter materials such as straw and chaff. Coupled with twin rotor technology, the New Holland CR has a massive self-leveling cleaning system incorporating the grain pan, pre-cleaning sieve, cleaning fan, and enhanced shaking system. Twin rotor technology also ensures even loading across the full width of the cleaning system. As you can see, the New Holland CR twin rotor combine delivers the optimum grain sample in the toughest conditions. It doesn't end here. The CR twin rotor combine features a host of industry-leading features that make operating life easier for grain farmers. The only combine on the market that matches the feeder house to the rotors for efficient cleaning, threshing, and separating. The not just for hills self-leveling cleaning system keeps the long grain pan, pre-sieve, top and bottom sieve, and cleaning fan horizontal on hills and undulations, up to 15 degrees. This maximizes air cleaning efficiency by ensuring the material on the grain pan and sieves are uniform and not cluttered or banked up on either side or end to end. The self-leveling system even banks on end row turns to reduce grain loss. To save you time, both top and bottom sieves can be adjusted remotely from the cab. Fitted as standard, the CR's best-in-class yield sensor only requires one calibration each season, regardless of the crop type or grain you harvest. Also as standard equipment, the onboard moisture sensor enables you to log your yield and moisture data on the go. Adding an optional GPS receiver sets you up with full yield mapping. New Holland's advanced stone protection listens for stones using an electroacoustic system. You are alerted in the cab, while the feeder is stopped automatically and ejects the stone without you having to leave your seat. In addition, New Holland CR twin rotor combines feature a best-in-class hydraulically powered feeder header reverser, enabling push-button in-cab control of heavy crop slugs. This feature ensures you remain in the cab, in control, and productive all day. Using the CR twin rotor combine, you can harvest more grain and unload quicker than ever before. With a grain tank capacity of up to 350 bushels and an unloading speed of 3.2 bushels per second. To make this unloading speed possible, the grain unloading auger spout has an end discharge design, providing an increased effective auger length of 24 feet. A new anti-dribble device ensures every grain goes into the bin. Inside the impressive Deluxe Harvest suite, the operator is in full command. The 110 cubic foot cab has been laid out to provide maximum comfort during long working days. With 62 square feet of glass, the operator has excellent night and day visibility of the crop, the stubble behind the header, and the unloading auger. There is also a large grain tank window in the rear of the cab. For ideal air distribution in the cab, there are a total of 12 vents. The temperature can be set automatically via climate control, which can then deliver a constant temperature. And finally, the air suspension seat and console are fully and independently adjustable to meet the comfortable seating requirements of any operator. The New Holland CR twin rotor combine sets the new benchmark for less grain damage, reduced grain loss, and a cleaner, more valuable grain sample. The game has changed. Now you know not all combines are created equal. Superior twin rotor technology achieves unmatched overall capacity. New Holland CR twin rotor combines are the revolution. And beyond the product, New Holland offers the right advice, committed service, and tailored finance solutions to North American farmers. For more information on the range of New Holland CR twin rotor combines or CX conventional combines, contact your local New Holland dealer. New Holland understands life on the land. Become part of the revolution. Log on to www.newholland.com.